She's ready.
Yep, keep it on the ground till 55. There you go.
There we go.
Yep, with the nose down.
And I get my
some
flaps.
speed. There you go.
Flaps are coming up.
Trim. Remember you have electric trim too.
Oh yeah.
Try to get used to using that because that's going to be helpful when you get into heavier planes that have it, because you can use that during your flare instead of muscling it around.
Okay.
Which would be a really nice tool for you as you get into bigger planes.
All right. Now we're gonna do a turn northbound. Falcon traffic, Cessna Juliet Papa is 5 miles to the south. We're gonna be inbound for the left downwind, 3-1 Falcon.
And you have Falcon in sight?
Yep. Cool. All right, so I guess we're gonna be landing.
Traffic, 6 Air Yankees, gonna be short final, 1-3, Falcon traffic.
All right, so I'm just gonna come,
yeah.
So I'm just gonna come out here and then go back in.
And go 1-3?
Yeah.
That's fine.
All right, I'm feeling good. I'm gonna go ahead and start my turn.
Okay.
Falcon traffic, Cessna Juliet Papa is right base, runway 13 Falcon. All right, I don't see anybody out here doing anything crazy.
No, final looks clear.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get my other notch.
Good.
And Falcon traffic,
I'm gonna
6 Air Yankees.
I'm getting slow, so
1-3, Falcon.
put some power in. I'm also gonna go ahead and push my mixture rich.
Okay.
Mixture's coming rich. All right. Falcon traffic, Cessna Juliet Papa is turning final, runway 13 Falcon. Runway's clear. Falcon traffic, Cessna Juliet Papa, short final, 13 Falcon.
Good. Speed looks good.
Yep,
we want to be about 65 or so on final,
All right,
which
we're
is
at
perfect.
67, 66. All right. Gas under here to make sure prop. Push some power in.
Cool. Did you see all those geese at the end of the road?
I wasn't paying attention.
Okay.
I was like,
it wasn't close enough where
you were
needed
like,
to go around. But there was like 30 of them on the edge of the runway.
Holy crap. Why is it saying call?
You're just low RPM.
Oh, that's right.
The alternator, it doesn't have enough RPM to be running, so it gives you a little caution.
Gotcha.